Hello dear students, welcome you all in MSc second year class. So dear student, our today's topic name is Tolman catalytic cycle from organometallic and homogeneous catalysis. So dear student, what is catalytic cycle? In chemistry, a catalytic cycle is a multi-step reaction mechanism that involves a catalyst. The catalytic cycle is the main method for describing the role of catalysts in biochemistry, organometallic chemistry and bioinorganic chemistry, material science, etc. Since catalysts are regenerated, catalytic cycles are usually written as a sequence of chemical reaction in the form of loop. Means, in short, catalytic cycle is a multi-step reaction mechanism that involves a catalyst, and catalytic cycle is the main method for describing the role of catalysts in biochemistry, organometallic, bioinorganic and material science, etc. Now, Wilkinson's catalyst. Wilkinson's catalyst is the common name for chloro, chloridotries triphenylphosphine rhodium first. Okay, so this is a common name for Wilkinson's catalyst. A coordination complex of rhodium with formula that is RHCl this PPH3. This pH is a phenyl group. It is red brown in color. It is red brown color solid that is soluble in hydrocarbon solvents such as benzene and more such as a tetrahydrofuran or chlorinated solvents such as dichloromethane, and the compound is widely used as a catalyst for hydrogenation of alkane. This is the structure of Wilkinson's catalyst. Okay, that is triphenylphosphine rhodium first. Uh, in this complex, the central metal atom is rhodium, which has +1 oxidation state. It is a tetra-coordinated species. Two, two atoms are above the plane and two are the below the plane. Okay. It is a DH system. Why DH? Because it has 9 valence electron shell, but oxidation state is +1. That's why the system is D8. It has square planar geometry and it is a 16 electron species. This is a general idea about Wilkinson's catalyst. Now, mechanism steps for Wilkinson's catalysis. So, it has 4 to 5 steps, that is dissociation of one ligand, oxidative addition of hydrogen, coordination of alkene, migratory insertion and reductive elimination. These are the steps of catalytic cycle. So, first is dissociation of one ligand. Okay, so see here, this is a general reaction for dissociation of one ligand. Here, one PPH3 group is reduced. Okay. Next step is oxidative addition of hydrogen. Oxidative addition of hydrogen. Okay, here hydrogen is added by oxidative addition reaction. So because of oxidative addition reaction, what happens? The oxidation state of rhodium is increased. Okay, we already discussed in oxidative addition reaction, that is the definition self tell us the oxidation state and coordination number is increased by 2 units, and see here in this reaction oxidation state is +1, and when we add H2 then oxidation state is increased by 2 unit and coordination number is also increased by 2 unit. Here coordination number is 4 and here coordination number is 6. This H2 is added in this manner because it's a planarity. Okay, this is the second step, that is oxidative addition reaction. But always remember, in oxidative addition reaction there is an increase in coordination number as well as oxidation state. Now next is coordination of alkene. And now now the now alkane is added into this species, which is undergo pi bonding. Because pi bonding, now here alkene is added. Alkene is added. This is a coordination of alkane. Now next step is 1,2 migratory insertion. So means one of the hydrogen is migrated into this alkene. Okay, so see here, here is a ethene. Okay, and here alkane is formed by migratory insertion of hydrogen. Now made a sigma bond, means bind a sigma bond. Here the bind the sigma. Now it is a 5 coordinated spaces. Now in next step reductive elimination is carried out. Okay, group here, this group. Okay, this group is eliminated. This group is eliminated as a product, and we get this catalyst again back. This is a catalytic steps. Now Tolman catalytic cycle. Hydrogenation of alkene by Wilkinson's catalyst is called Tolman catalytic cycle or loop. It is extended version of 18 electron rule. In reaction catalyzed by homogeneous organometallic catalyst, and the intermediate obtained in different steps settle between 18 and 16 electron. The shifting of electron are energetically favored, hence allowed. So student, now there are two steps for catalytic cycle that are more frequently occur in case of different alkenes. What is that catalytic cycle? Okay, so now see here, there is a two steps for a Tolman catalytic cycle. So first step is addition of H2, that is by oxidative addition reaction, and another step is that is removal of one ligand. Okay, these are the two steps. So first we will discuss here first step. Okay, that is removal of one ligand. Now, in first step, four coordinated spaces undergo dissociation of one ligand, that is one PPH3 ligand, and we get a three coordinated spaces. Okay. That three coordinated spaces is a active form. Okay, and this that step is known as active form of spaces. Why active form? So the answer is that as compared to ruhedium complex, these three coordinated spaces binds hydrogen by oxidative reaction more tightly, that is 10 raised to 7 times faster, and hence this is called as active form of as active form of steps. Okay, now that species undergo oxidative addition of alkene, means first one PPH3 ligand is removed. After that there is oxidative addition carried out. After that oxidative addition, we get six coordinated spaces again, and the same cycle is rotated. Okay, means first oxidative addition reaction of H2 is carried out. After that there is a addition of alkene is carried out. After addition of alkene, migratory insertion of hydrogen. After migratory insertion, there is a reductive elimination of alkane, and then we get a Wilkinson's catalyst. Okay, this is the first step. Now see here, second step. In second step, oxidative addition is first carried out. Means in Wilkinson's catalyst, first oxidative addition of hydrogen is carried out. After that, after that step, the change is, now see, this is the change observed, that is oxidation state of ruhedium is here +1. In next step, oxidation state of ruhedium is going to change, that is +3. oxidation state is changed by 2 unit. Okay, and coordination number also changed by 2 unit. And this is a definition of oxidative addition reaction. That's why here simply oxidative addition reaction is carried out. After oxidative addition reaction, there is a addition of alkene. Addition of alkene is carried out. After that, there is a migratory insertion of hydrogen is carried out. Means one of the hydrogen will be migrated into a alkene, into a alkene, and we get these spaces which binds a sigma bond. Now in next step, reductive elimination is carried out and we get a this reductive alkane as a product and the Wilkinson's catalyst again. This is a catalytic cycle. This is known as a catalytic cycle. Okay, always remember here in catalytic cycle there is a two steps. First, oxidative addition step, and second is a removal of PPH3 ligand first, and then oxidative addition reaction is carried out. Now this is a Tolman catalytic cycle. So thank you dear student.